Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video we are going to review how to use the search filters for jobs and maps within SprayLogger to narrow down your job list. Once you've logged into the website, go to Jobs and Maps. And from here you have a number of filter options. You can either filter by just typing in the name, you can also filter using drop-down boxes. So then from here I can filter through all of my jobs quickly and easily. If you have any other questions, please call us at 307-673-1050 or email us at solutions@agterra.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.